Windows 11 has this built-in feature that when you right-click a file, the menu appears with Show More Options at the bottom. And when you click on Show More Options, then the classic menu appears in its place. Well, to have just the classic menu appear only without clicking Show More Options, do this. Right-click the Start menu, and you're going to look for Terminal, Command Prompt, or PowerShell, but make sure whichever one you select, it has admin next to it. So it's going to open up a command prompt window, and you can type this command in. Now, if you need to pause the video, pause, because this is quite lengthy, and make sure you don't have any typos. When you finish typing this in, then you're going to press enter. And as long as there are no typos, you'll get the operation completed successfully. Then type exit, press enter, and bring your mouse down to the taskbar, right click it, and click Task Manager. You're going to scroll all the way down until you find Windows Explorer. Right click it and click Restart. This will refresh Windows, and then you can exit Task Manager and right click your personal file again, and you'll see the Windows 11 menu has changed to the classic look.